मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों, आज एजुकेशन वायर पर हम लोग इंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। ये एक फ्लो चार्ट इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड का डायग्राम है। सबसे पहले तो हम समझ लेते हैं कि ग्लैंड किसको कहते हैं। ग्लैंड दैट मीन्स a group of cell which bag like a structure having produced some amount of chemical which help in different physiology in our body, that's known gland. There are two types of gland, that means exocrine and endocrine. We learned about in this topics only focus on endocrine gland. Endocrine gland is also known as ductless gland of body. So the glands which located in brain, stomach, kidney and abdominal cavity. First of all, look, this type of gland is ovary. Ovary is a male female reproductive gland which produce different type of hormones in female which help in different physiology as like menstrual cycle, evolution of egg, etc. The name of hormones which produced inside the ovary, that means estrogen, progesterone and relaxin. That second name of gland is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known as master gland of the body, which located inside the brain. It secretes 9 number of different type of hormones which regulate different physiology in our body. Thus, and third gland, pineal gland. Pineal gland also located inside the brain, which help in maintain the biological clock in our body. The name of hormone which secrete the pineal gland is known as serotonin hormone. The largest endocrine gland is known as thyroid gland, which secrete thyroxine, which regulate the carbohydrate, fats and protein metabolism in our body. Due to lack of iodine, the thyroid gland becomes swelled in our body. That name of disease is known as goiter. And second largest endocrine gland is known as parathyroid gland, which secretes parathormone, which regulate the calcium in bone. And this is the thymus gland. Thymus gland, which also located in chest cavity. It is also known as old indicator gland in our body, which produce some type of antibodies which regulate the fight against disease. And this is the pancreas gland, which located in just lower the stomach in abdomen, which secrete the name of hormones is insulin, which regulate the blood sugar in our body. Due to lack of insulin, the level of sugar becomes increases. That name of disease is diabetes mellitus. And this is the adrenal gland. This is also called emergency gland in our body, which located on the kidney surface, which help in regulate the emergency situation in our body. This is the male reproductive gland. The main male reproductive gland is known as testis, which testis is a male reproductive gland of male which produce sperm and also produce some important name of hormone is known as testosterone and androgen. Testosterone are also involved the production of the sperm inside the testes. The process is known as spermatogenesis. Testes are located inside the scrotum. Scrotum protect of testes and also need to maintain the temperature, the surrounding area of testes, which produce the sperms. And the last endocrine glands in case of female, the main important gland in case of female is known as ovary. One pair ovary just located in back side of abdomen, which produce ova and also produce some important hormones as like estrogen, progesterone and relaxin. Estrogens are helping bringing the Sexual character in case of female, progesterone are involved the maintain the pregnancy in case of female, and relaxin are help in easily childbirth in case of female. Thank you. We learn about human physiology. That diagram is human heart. First of all, this topic will be read inside the transportation. What is transportation? Transportation means the circulation of blood from one part of body and another part through the heart and blood vessels. This is the important component of circulatory system, heart. What is heart? Heart is a circulatory chamber which located inside the thoracic cavity in case of male. This is the diagram of heart. First of all, heart has four chambers. Four chambers, and these chambers are divided into two parts. Upper part is known as auricle and lower part is known as ventricle. Auricle are divided into two separate parts, left auricle and right auricle. Then otherwise ventricle are separated into two chambers, left ventricle and right ventricle. First of all, blood are enter inside the heart through the vena cava. From upper part is superior vena cava and lower part is inferior vena cava. Then blood are reach inside the right auricle, and after fulfill of right auricle, blood goes into right ventricle due to open of tricuspid valve, and then the blood are outside the blood are coming outside the from heart by the help of pulmonary artery, and up due to purification of blood, and after purification blood enter into left auricle by the help of pulmonary vein. After fulfill of left ventricle, blood enter into left blood enter into vein. Blood are goes into left auricle from lungs, and blood also goes into left ventricle due to open of bimitral valve, and after fulfill of left ventricle, blood distribute into whole part of the body through the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in human body. This is physiology of human heart.